Hello, everyone. I'm Rebecca Skeel, Heaven on Earth mentor and wisdom teacher. And today I want to talk more about keys to make your life a heaven. I've done a video series called 7 Keys to Make Your Life a Heaven. And those keys were taken directly from my book, You Can Make It Heaven. And I referenced those keys from my book because this is a self-mastery manual, a foundational beginning on what we really want to work with inside ourselves to begin to create a life that is full of abundance, of loving, of joy, of peace, or whatever heaven is for you. But today I want to talk about a key, one of the keys that we work with in Wisdom School 2. Wisdom School 2 is about living love. And the reference points that we work with in Wisdom School 1 really have to do with our personal story, our habitual knee-jerk reactions, our wounds, our disappointments, our hurts, our fears, memories that we have, again, any story that we have from our years of being on the planet, however long that's been. And those reference points, those old reference points really need to be brought forward, to be cleared, to be accepted, forgiven, etc. But there's a whole nother level in reference points. When we begin to awaken to the truth of who we are and open up more to our divine reality, there's a whole level of reference points that begin to emerge that take our life and our self to a whole nother level. And I have a handout here because I'm getting ready to teach Wisdom School 2 and Wisdom School 3. So I wanted to just briefly go over these reference points just for you to give you an idea of what you might begin to want to reference and live from in your life. The first one is you're moving from 5-sense reality to multi-dimensional reality. The second one is discovering the truth beyond the facts. The third is moving from the human reactive nature to your divine co-creative nature. Number 4 is to move from contraction to expansion. Number 5, moving from form to essence. Number 6, moving out of excuse to full responsibility. Number 7, moving from the world's point of view to your inner knowing. Number 8, moving from duality to bilateral reality. Number 9, shifting from your body as the center of who you are to your soul or divinity is the center of who you are. And number 10, moving from I have to do it all myself to God and I can transform reality. So I'm just sharing those 10 reference points for you today. Maybe some of them really resonated with you, spoke to you, piqued your curiosity, whatever. If you're interested in finding out more about my Heaven on Earth Wisdom School, you can go to my membership site, RebeccaEskeel.com/membership. Scroll down to where it says Mastery and click the Mastery image, and it will take you to the Wisdom School page and talk about Wisdom School 1. All right. Hope you're having a great day. heavenly blessings to you. Bye for now.